Alright, this is going to be the elevator here at the Hampton Inn Suites in Shrewsbury, Pennsylvania. It's an Otis with Series 1 from 2002. Take up to 3. Right on the 1, door close button works. First floor. Back with the 3, we'll get a view from the top. Listen to the motor one more time. And here we are back at 3. Got a mirror. Hi. There goes the elevator. And I think the best view is out this window, right down here. And here's your view out towards Shrewsbury. I'm not sure which direction is Shrewsbury, but look down there, that's Interstate 83. You can see some more stores and restaurants in the distance. There's one of your manpower elevators. I guess just for the heck of it, we'll take a look at the other side, see what the view offers. Alright, let's see what this window features, view-wise. Nothing exciting other than Ruby Tuesday and a Papa John's. Thought there was a Home Depot out this way as well, but I don't see it from here. Sorry for the glare since it's dark outside. And there's your second set of manpower elevator, or second set of stairs, I should say. Fire extinguisher. Alright, I guess we'll back down the elevator and end the video. And here we are back at the elevator. Let's ride back down. And it's still sitting up here waiting for me. Alright. Back down the 1, we'll end the video down there. Watch the button go out. Hey again. Alright. There it goes. And that will be it.